Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable theater mode for your earbuds EARFUN Air 2. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. And right here we have theater mode, so to enable it you need to tap on time at the slider near to it, but once you enable this mode you cannot use equalizer. So as you can see right now I can change something, but if I enable it I can't right now. So to disable this mode you need to tap also on time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!